armies outside the venue in Munich singing fire, guys. Yeah, they're vibing. Party going on, guys. Party going on at the Allianz Arena, Allianz Stadium, and armies outside the venue. They're singing fire. Yeah, all the armies entering at the venue, Allianz Arena. Yeah, everyone looks quite excited, and it's quite hot, guys. The weather is hot AF, you know what I'm saying?